equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Start by gathering your tools. You'll need a screwdriver, a soft cloth, and a small brush. First, unplug the Conga 990 to ensure safety. Remove the screws on the back panel using your screwdriver. Keep these screws in a safe place for reassembly. Once the panel is off, you'll see the internal components. Use the soft cloth to gently wipe away any dust and debris. Pay special attention to the sensors and wheels. Use the small brush to clean hard-to-reach areas. This will help maintain optimal performance. After cleaning, visually inspect all parts for any signs of wear or damage. If you notice anything unusual, consider a professional diagnosis without obligation. Once you're satisfied, reattach the back panel and secure it with the screws. Remember, we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transport. With no calls and no travel, it's hassle-free. Always get a quote before repair to avoid surprises. Regular internal cleaning can extend the life of your Conga 990 and keep it running smoothly. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.